Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to activate circle to search on your S24. This is a handy feature that allows you to search using images instead of words. So for instance, if I wanted to know what this building is, I could just tap my home button and then I could surround it with a circle and Google would search for the image and give me the search results right here. So to activate this feature, make sure you go to your settings app and then scroll down to display and then scroll down again until you find navigation bar. Then you tap it and then here you have it, circle to search. Once it is activated, all you have to do to search something using images is to tap and hold the home button and then you circle it and there you go, it searches the section of the image that you circled. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.